हेलो बच्चों, ये वीडियो डिटर्मिनेंट, एडजॉइंट एंड इनवर्स निकालने के लिए हम कोशिश करेंगे इस वीडियो में। पहले हम देखेंगे डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है। When we are talking about the determinant of matrix of order 1, that means we are talking about a matrix having one row and one column. Its value will be same A. If we are talking about the determinant of order 2, that means it consists of two rows and two columns. Then its determinant value A into D minus B into C. Here the cross multiplication of the diagonal entries and thereafter minus A D minus B. Next we are talking about the determinant of matrix order 3. While you are finding the value of a determinant of order 3, we have already discussed in the previous video that its sign would be first changed. Its sign would be minus 1 to the power of row number plus column number. Here row number is 1, column number is 1. So I have written minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1. So A will be assigned with sign, and when you have got the sign, thereafter we'll check what is the value of the 2 by 2 determinant here. EF HI, so EI minus HF. Similarly, here would be minus 1 to the power of, this belongs to first row and second column. So minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 into B. First row, second column will be eliminated. DI minus GF, DI minus GF. Plus here A13. So it is minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 into C into DH minus G. DH minus G. Sorry, here DH minus GP. So this is the value of the determinant when we are operating with the first row. We can operate this determinant by taking any row or column, but the signs should be remembered. So I am going to take the signs. Here the first row will have the sign minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, it is plus, it is minus, it is plus, you see. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, plus minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, it is minus, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3, it is plus. Again, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, minus 1 to the power 3, minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2, it is 4, minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3, because it belongs to second row and third column. Similarly, minus 1 to the power, this will be 3 plus 1. This is minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2, and this is minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3. So the sign will be plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. That means the main diagonal as well as anti-diagonal both would having the same sign as plus and others would be minus. This is very simple trick which you have to remember, that the diagonal entries, the diagonal, that means this is the main diagonal, or we can say these are the elements in the leading diagonal and these are the counter diagonal or anti-diagonal, and these elements also would bear the plus sign. Okay, I think this is the fundamental which have been clear by you. Next I am going to take an example to find out the determinant value of the matrix having order 3. What the value of this matrix? Our question is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, we can take any row or column to get the value of 3 by 3 determinant. Then what is the value of this one? If I would take with, suppose I would take with column 2. Sometimes I have to find out with the column 2. I want to find out what is the value if I will take the column 2. Then remember the signs. Here what happened? What are the signs here? No doubt is plus sign. This is the diagonal entry. And this should be minus, and this should be minus, and this should be minus, and this should be minus. So plus minus plus minus plus minus. It is plus minus, so it is plus. Okay. Diagonal entry is separated plus. So we are talking about the second column. So answer would be minus 2 into, if we eliminate the row and column in which the 2 belongs, answer is 4 into 9, 4, 6, 7, 9. Then it is minus, plus 5. We are talking about the column 2. Huh? So plus 5, plus 5. This will be eliminated because of 5 belongs to second row and second column. So 1, 3, 7, 9. 1, 3, 7, 9. Then minus 8 into, eliminate this one, eliminate this two. Minus 8 belongs to second row, yes, minus to third row, second column. So I'm getting 1, 3, 4, 6. Because 1, 3, 4, 6. If you simplify this one, then we get minus 2 into 9 for the 36 minus 72 plus 5 into 9 minus 21 minus 8 into 6 minus 12. So answer will be 0. You see, you can see. So this is the value of the determinant. So we can take any of the row or column, but the sign should be put with the proper sign. This should be taken with the proper sign. We can eliminate the determinant by taking any row or column, but remember the proper sign should be placed with the corresponding entries. Okay. Next, we will observe that to find out the value of the determinant, of a triangular matrix. Now we will observe that how to find out the determinant value of a triangular matrix. We know that a triangular matrix is a matrix like this: 1, 5, 3, 7, 9, 8, 5, 4, 6. Let us take this is a general matrix. This is general matrix. What is the difference between a triangular matrix and the general matrix? This is a general matrix of order 3 by 3. General matrix of order 3 by 3. Now talking about a diagonal matrix. Triangular matrix. We can take it 1, 9, 8. Replace 0 and 0, 0. This is it. What is matrix? This is your diagonal matrix. And this diagonal matrix is a triangular matrix. How it is triangular matrix? You see. This is also a triangular matrix. If the entries below or upper, above the or below the leading diagonals are 0, then you can say it is a triangular matrix. So it is a triangular matrix. Again, if the entries below the leading diagonal form a triangle having 0, 0, 0, and this one form the triangular and having 0, 0, 0, then you can make it, you can say it is a triangular matrix. It is a triangular matrix. So what can be said about this matrix? If I say 1, 5, 4, 3, 9, 8. I'm talking about 0. I'm talking 0. I'm talking 0. And here is 7. For example, this 7. Here is 0. 4. Sorry, 4. Okay. There is no problem. So this is your leading diagonal, and if we say it is forming a triangular, so we can say such type of triangles or such type of matrix is called upper triangular matrix. We can tell it as upper triangular matrix. It is an upper triangular matrix. Okay. Then if this matrix will be like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 0, 7. What can be said about this one? So 0 bit. Okay. This is the leading diagonal, and the entries below form a triangle having 0, 0, 0. So this type of matrix is called lower triangular matrix. This matrix is called a lower triangular matrix. What is the value of the upper triangular or lower triangular or a triangular matrix? The value of determinant value of lower triangular matrix is the product of their diagonals. Is the product of their diagonal elements, but diagonal entries. Please remember this concept. This is a very shortcut trick to find out the determinant without expanding. So, determinant value of lower triangular matrix is the product of their diagonal elements. I am talking about the leading diagonal elements. So, here what is the value of this determinant value of this matrix? Yes, answer is 1 into 5 into 7. Answer very simple, it is value is 35. Here you can write 1 into 9 into 7. It is your 63. What is the value of here? 1 into 9 into 8. Answer is 72. Okay. Any of the matrix. Determinant value of a triangular matrix. I am writing about the lower part. Determinant value of a triangular matrix. This is the general matrix, and here the triangular matrix, where both the it is the diagonal matrix. Because of your diagonal matrix can also be taken to be triangular matrix. If the leading diagonal above are zeros, then it is called upper triangular. If the leading diagonal below are zero, then it is called lower triangular. Very simple concept. It is the very shortcut trick to find out the determinant of a matrix of order 3. I am talking about the determinant of matrix of order 3. Then, to make it easier more, okay, it is the determinant value of the matrix. To make it easier, I am going to form another matrix. Tell me how this could be eliminated. For example, 1, 5, 3, 7, 0, 9, 3, 2, 4. Which will be operated? Yes, answer will be. Which will be operated so that determinant value could be easily found? Answer is second column. Because of in second column there is a 0, so the determinant would be very easier, because of 0 into something would not have any value. So determinant would be easily find it out. Its value would be how much? Its value would be, here you remember this is plus, it is minus 5 into eliminate this one, eliminate this one, eliminate this one. Which one? 5 eliminate. So 7 into 4, I am writing this. 7 into 4 is 28, minus 9 into 3, 27. Then it is minus, it is plus, it is minus. Remember the sign, minus, plus, minus. Minus 2. Minus 2 into this one and this one. 9 into 1, 9. Minus 7 into 3, 21. So it is minus 5 into 28 minus 7, 27 is 1. Minus 2 into 9 minus 21 is minus 2. So answer is minus 5 plus 24 is equal to 19. If we are getting 0, 0, 5, 3, minus 2, 4 and 2, 1, 3, then what is the determinant value? Determinant value would be nothing but it is plus minus plus. We are saying which one will be taken? Yes, row will be taken because of there are 2 zeros there. So determinant can be easily be find it out. How? Answer would be only 5 plus minus 5 into, yes, answer is 3 minus of minus 2. Answer is 3. In this way, we can find out the determinant of a matrix. Pause the video to note it down all these things. Then come to the adjoint of the matrix. What is the meaning of adjoint? Adjoint meaning I have written here. The transpose of cofactor matrix is called adjoint matrix. तो एडजॉइंट कैसे निकालना है? पहले सभी का कोफैक्टर निकाल ले, सभी एलिमेंट का कोफैक्टर निकालो और एक कोफैक्टर को ट्रांसपोज करो, तो ये हो जाएगा एडजॉइंट ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. पहले हम देखेंगे एडजॉइंट 2x2 मैट्रिक्स कैसे बनाया जाएगा. अगर A इक्वल टू ए बी सी डी है तो इसका एडजॉइंट क्या होगा? Swap the positions of A and D. Swap the positions of A and D. Change the positions of A and D. D will be taken to here and D will be changed. D will be replaced by A will be replaced by D. You see. And then change the sign of B and C. Yes, again. Swap the positions of A and D and change the sign of B and C. Here the position has been swapped. And here the sign will change. B and C is the sign change. It is minus B minus C. For example, 1, 3, 5, 4. एक मैट्रिक्स एडजॉइंट क्या होगा इसका? एडजॉइंट क्या होगा? एडजॉइंट swap the position. Here 4 and 1 will come to its position. 3 will be at minus 3 and 5 is at minus 5. So answer is 4 minus 3 minus 5 on. Oh no space, okay. You can manage here. 4, you have changed the position. 4 will be come to position of 1, 1 from this position. You have swapped the positions and I mean that these diagonal elements will change, it will change their positions and they will change their sign. Okay. Next, adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix. It is quite long process. Because of we have to find out the 9 cofactors A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. In order to find out this cofactor matrix, we have to find A11. How A11 will be obtained? We know A11 is the minus 1 to the power row number plus column number into this one would be taken, which will be these two will be deleted. So what is the answer? A22, A23, A32, A33. A22, A23, A32, A33. It's a long process. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 and the value will be obtained like this. Similarly, A12, A13, A21. You see A21 here, so its cofactor is A21, A22 its cofactor A22, A23 its cofactor A23, A13, sorry, it is 31. Yes, 31, 31. A31 its cofactor A31, A32, A33 is the cofactor A33. Then, in order to find out adjoint, what you have to do? That the transpose of the cofactor matrix. I have written in the board so that it will be very much clear to you that what will happen one after another. You see adjoint of A in the sequence. So transpose this one. What is the meaning of transpose? Interchanging the rows into columns and columns into rows. Interchanging rows and columns. Its meaning A11, A12, A13. First row will be changed to first column. Second row will be changed to second column. Third row will be changed to third. So this is all about your adjoint of the matrix. While you are obtaining adjoint of the matrix, then your inverse can be obtained. So inverse of the matrix has a small formula, and that formula is adjoint A by determinant of A. What is the formula? A inverse is equal to, we can write adjoint of A by determinant of A, provided concept that determinant of A should not equal to 0. If determinant of A is not equal to 0, if determinant of A is not equal to 0, then we can say that inverse exists, then proceed for the inverse. If it is determinant is 0, then no inverse can be obtained. Okay, then inverse, A inverse equal to adjoint A divided by determinant of A. Next one, there is a shortcut trick to find out the adjoint of the matrix. There is a shortcut trick to find out the adjoint of the matrix. Now I am going to discuss that one also. Sometimes this adjoint is very long process in entrances and others. If you proceed this one, if you proceed in this way, then adjoint A will take a lot of time, so that it will be very difficult for us to crack the exam. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. यहाँ हमने एक 3 by 3 मैट्रिक्स लिया है और इसका एडजॉइंट हमें निकालना है. इसका एडजॉइंट यही होगा. क्या होगा इसका एडजॉइंट? देखो, पहले ये जो रो और कॉलम है ना, इसको भी लिख लो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ये जो कॉलम्स दोनों हैं, ये कॉलम भी लिख लो यहाँ पर. 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8. अभी जो 5 एलिमेंट्स इधर है, ये 5 एलिमेंट को इधर लिख लो. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, और ये 4, 5, 6, 4, 5 हो गया ना. ये अभी हम एक काम करना होगा कि ये रो और ये कॉलम को डिलीट करना पड़ेगा. ये रो और ये कॉलम को डिलीट करो. ये एडजॉइंट कैसे आ गया? कैसे एडजॉइंट आएगा? देखो, हम ऑपरेट करेंगे. अभी कैसे ऑपरेट होगा? एडजॉइंट ए इज इक्वल टू, यू सी, 9 into 5 minus 8 into 6, it is minus 3. 45 minus 48. 8 is 24 minus 9 to the 8. It is 6. It is 6. We have got it from columns, but we have write it in row. But we have write it in row because we are working in the transpose. Then 2, 6 is 12 minus 5 is 15. 12 minus 15 is minus 3. Similarly, we will get here 6 7 is 42 minus 9 4 is 36. 42 minus 36 is 6. 9 1s are 9 minus 7 3 is 21. 9 minus 21 is minus 12. We are taking from column but writing the row. Okay. 3 into 4 it is 12 minus 6 into 1 it is again 6. Next, come to this one. Yes, we got it. 3 into 4 minus 6 into 1. Right here. Next, 4, 5, 7, 8. So, 4 into 8, 32 minus 7 into 5, minus 35 minus 3. 8, 7 into 2, 14 minus 8 into 1, 8 is 6. Then come to the point 5 into 1, 5 minus 4 into 2, 8, which is your last element, and this is your adjoint A. You can check by this. You can check this one by your long method what I have discussed. Thank you.